In this quick video, I'll show you how to make sure you never lose your Miro board again. Whether you're a long-time user or just getting started, creating a manual backup is the smartest way to protect your work. Start by opening the Miro board you want to backup. At the top right corner, click the three-dot More Options menu. Then go to Board, choose Export and select Download Board Backup. Miro will generate a backup file with an extra desktop load board from sync, and this is your board's full copy. When saving, you can keep it on your computer or store it safely in the cloud using Google Drive or Dropbox. If you work across multiple devices, cloud storage is definitely the best option. You can also back up a board directly from your Miro dashboard. Just right-click the board thumbnail and choose Download Board Backup. It works exactly the same way. To stay protected, make it a habit to back up your boards regularly, especially after big updates or projects. Having a few recent backups can save you hours of frustration if anything ever goes wrong. And that's it. Your Miro boards are now safe and secure. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy mirroring.